just does not know what he wants to do. If you get pulled over or something if you don't put your seatbelt on.
That's sexy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And before not.
That is awesome.
Convenient. Stop! Hazard! Why are there words floating over there? You're gonna crash into David Cage! Is he like the brother of Nicolas Cage? Is he just as CGI?
Motif.
Motif!
Who remembers Motif?
It's just seatbelts on.
You swiped the wrong way.
Oh. You'll never find out.
I'm leaving. Wait, are you leaving the game? Are you gonna like do a divorce?
Hey, dog! I'm gonna be the not fun dad.
Look, he got a bigger TV after Jason died. Well, something good came out of it. Sean, I like how you have to have like a schedule. This is the next game. This is not the entire game. You just stare at your son.
Just stand there.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do it later, okay?
I think you should just get right to it. Then it's done and out of the way. Now, get your bag and get set up in the kitchen. I'll help you.
He hates you.
Just leave now. I'm gonna sit. That's a really creepy shirt.
Yeah, in the latest position.
It's like in the corner.
Like staring at the couch.
Yeah.
But, oh yeah, you want to do something like that. Oh yeah! That bird!
Girls bring club to the wait.
What?
All the girls bring a joint to the club.
No.
You know, so the TV stopped playing. Later.
So you can watch the whole thing. Just stand there.
What is it?
Some random like art project or something.
What
Why
kind
would
of
you-
TV stand is that?
Why would you put that TV in front of a window in that neighborhood?
I don't know. Everything's just really shitty, but he just has a nice TV.
Oh. I'm not gonna help you do your homework. I'm just gonna stare at you awkwardly.
What are you doing? Is he
Dad, I'm finished. Can I go watch TV?
That's fast. Fuck.
Just sit on your phone.
Let me have a look.
It's all wrong.
Pretty good. Well, looks like you're done.
God, you're a
Off you go.
son. I wish it was
He
you
was
that
like,
died.
oh my god.
What a horrible thing to
You never do anything on time. What does he want for a snack? Do you want top ramen or do you want peanut butter?
say. God, full stop.
You just show.
Dad.
He just leaves. He gets hit by a car too. This is the best backyard I've ever had. Yeah, just totally missed.
How does it bounce? What is it just like a...
Ah!
Or
Are you actually trying to make it?
you start the fire.
I'll let him do it.
Yeah, he's his own shit.
I think the police down.
That was gonna be a microwave.
Yeah, he's going to.
What the fuck?
3 hours. Ignore child. Play basketball.
So I hear your mom's going out with.
I heard your sister's going out with. What's his mom thing? It's like, my mom's dead, so I gotta get moving around this. I don't know what the first part of it was, though.
I don't know. Really?
No. Get back to my house and see the goddamn game. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube called Ed Plays Heavy Rain.
They officially announced Control Fire.
Yes! I know!
Skyrim.
11/11/11.
Is it really Skyrim?
Yeah, he predicted that.
Wanna talk a little?
That's fucking
Talk
creepy.
about what?
All my predictions.
I don't know, about you, your friends. How things are going.
Nothing special.
Pretty creepy.
That's just Skyrim.
I'm making new predictions.
What's your prediction, Henry?
Done.
I get automatic speed.
Huh? What was that then?
It's the edge explode.
Why did it explode? And that was the conclusion of Ed Plays Heavy Rain.